How's it going, everybody? It is July 14th. This is Merch by Amazon sales update. I'm going to do a very quick video just to give you guys an update on what's been happening since Prime Day on the 12th. Things are looking good. Things are feeling good. Yesterday, as you can see here, I had 13 sales in the US. That's amazing because that's about $250 in sales and $40 in royalties. So, I mean, to get a $40 bill, $40 deposit to bank account from a single platform a day is just amazing. I've been feeling extremely good lately in the last couple of months because I've been cracking regularly over $150 in royalties and profits every single day from my print-on-demand platforms. And with a couple other things that I've been doing, I've been bringing in, $200 to $300 in profits every single day. And it just starts adding up, and it's getting to the point where it's kind of like it's becoming a little surreal because I remember, my first sales on Etsy like 4 or 5 years ago, whenever I started. And I was so excited to get like $2 in profits, right? And then I would wait a whole week to make another sale. And now, like I said, like to get 100, 200, $300 a day in royalties and profits is just amazing. So anyways, let's get back to the numbers. There, besides these threes, which are abnormal, they're abnormally low for my US sales. This month has actually been pretty incredible. So far, 96 sales, which is $1,750 for the total royalties of 300, just about. And that's due to days like this. My once in a while, I'm getting these 12s. There was an 18. There's 11. 13, and yesterday was 13, and for the total number of sales yesterday I had 20. So that actually beat out the day before, which is another fantastic day. And because of days like this, like I said, things are just adding up. This month so far is incredible. I'm at 169 sales, and I talked about, I think yesterday, the day before, that I'm already at around $450 to $500 US dollars in royalties on merch. And when you do these conversions, and it really honestly just feels great. The same time frame last month, and we're going to be looking at the first 13 days because I'm recording this first thing in the morning, which already is incredible because I have 5 sales already. And it was a very different month. 125 compared to 169. We're looking at almost 50 sales. That's the difference for the same time frame. So I have no doubt that this month will be great. And if it continues like this, even if the average hovers around 10 a day in the US, that will be an exceptional month. I think I'm on track to beat the previous month in the US. If you look at this, actually, wrong chart. If we look at this here, I mean, it's not really hard to beat it, but the facts are that, like even coming close isn't beating it, right? And if we look at, I'll give this a second. I'm not sure why it's not loading right away. There it is. I think I will definitely beat out these months here. And then we're going to be getting into the competition with May and June. But so far, I'm actually very confident that it's going to be a strong month, and that on its own just feels good. So anyways, I'm going to wrap it up here. Just wanted to say it's amazing. Things are going well. Yesterday, 20 sales in total, 13 in the US. Today, like I said, first thing in the morning, it's already a strong day with 5 total sales, 3 in the US, 2 in Germany. I like I said a couple of times in the last couple of videos, I'm very excited about July. I'm definitely excited about August and September, October. We'll see. I don't want to get too optimistic, but things are feeling good and things are going well. So we'll see what happens. As always, thank you guys. I'll talk to you soon.